Hey, hello guys, this is my custom made BMX bike. It is a stolen heater 2007. As you can see, it's a Monster Energy bike. It's got Odyssey pedals, ODI grips, Odyssey Forks, and the seat post clamp is a kink. The seat is a Folt. Crank stolen. Primo 25-tooth sprocket. I got a 9-tooth in the back. The front rim and back rim are both box rim. Well, no, they're both sun rims. The front rim is a box rim, black. I'm just gonna give you a look at my sprocket here. It's a pretty nice sprocket. I got it for about 50 bucks with a green chain. That's pretty much my bike. Thanks for watching. Leave.